How to switch profiles in Google Chrome on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Google Chrome application on a device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now what you need to do is tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner and then tap on the settings option over here. As you do that, scroll down. And then here you can see the option of Google services over here as well. So tap on Google services, or rather go back and then tap on your profile and then scroll down and tap on manage accounts on this device option over here. As you do that, you'll be led to a new page of accounts and syncs. So scroll down and tap on Google and then select on any other account that you would want to connect to this one. After that, you can tap on sync now. And as you do that, you can go back, and after it has been synced, you'll be able to switch your profiles in Google Chrome as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.